Mama onye ọlụ. Mama ụmụasa. Mama na-eke ụmụ. Otu a ka isi eke ụmụ ka adụdụla. Mama onye ọlụ.
The only one that uses his dick to shift my womb.
Mama, that was then. That was then. What are you calculating? What are you lighting? Business woman.
I want to cross-check everything, you know.
Business woman.
This one you're calling this time.
No, Mama, not me and you, Mama. I'm not your mate, Mama. I cannot sleep with my grandmother's age, Mama. You know that the people that you work with was Abacha them. I'm a small boy, Mama. Mama, I will use because I'm thirsty and go and drink well water. Mama, I'm not your age mate now. By now, cobwebs would have covered that place, Mama.
That's for me. Back to sender. What are you reaching me? I beg.
Mama, Mama, I want to babe. Mama, egoti. There is money. Money is not the problem. Mama, I want you to give me. Yes, I want you to give me chassis. I need something I can, egoti. There is money. Just give me your best. Yeah. Mama,
okay. I have this one.
Okay.
The girl, she used to work very well. On our bar, John Millie. If on our I'm telling you, so this girl, I want million over an she can work for Africa.
Hey! Who can I like it?
Can I like? Anita.
Okay, Anita. I want her. I want to let her use water to cover my bed. I will clean whenever. Mama, how much is involved? How much is involved?
150,000, yes, only.
Mama, 150.
Yes, now. Oh, it's not that cost. Yes, it's not that much.
Mama, I just remembered that I'm not really a water person. I'm allergic to water. I don't like milk. Oh, you know, too much. So only if if I want water, I'll go and buy 4 gallons of water. I even have borehole in my compound, so don't worry. And then I there will sometimes it's not even milk, it is your lane. So I don't worry. I don't worry. I don't lay in bed. Leave that one. Leave that one.
Second girl, her name is Dorothy. Yes.
Okay, Dorothy.
You like breast. You love sucking.
That is it. Her brake light, her front light. Only
I swear to only green light. She used to give doggy style. Very, very well. I swear.
You just say from behind. Mama, that one is okay. That one is okay.
So we're going to
that one is okay.
100,000 Konana. Yes, I will charge you 100,000.
100,000.
Yes, now. Oh, it's not too cost.
Mama, the truth is that I'm no more that fan of blessed. I'm no more that fan of one day Allah and Kizibo, so I don't need anybody with bless. And the only thing the doggy style, I don't need anything doggy. I'm not a Calabar man. I don't like dog. If I don't like dog, anything dog, I don't like it. Don't worry about that one. Which other one do you have?
Okay.
Which other one do you have?
Do you want Annabelle? I have Annabelle. Yeah. She used to moan like as in onye sexy ringing tune. Isi get soundtrack ya pocket. Papa, be another two more. Onye gimbu akwa eba eh. Ana rush. Only moon eba. Why fucking is going on? You be like, hey. Yes, I studied in the UK. So he might go all right. She used to come back. So I don't quite the right time. Kita season. I have to fix her somewhere. So I go about 50,000 naira.
50.
On a team of my yes. She used to mourn very, very well. Sexy mon, yeah.
Mama, I don't want anybody to come and be screaming.
Sexy ringing tone, you don't want it. You working at
I don't want my neighbors to come and start knocking on my door that I'm beating somebody's daughter. So don't worry about the screaming. I don't want anything screaming. Find another person for me. Leave that one. Oh, leave that Annabelle. Another one, Jay.
Boo. Second to the last child. If Annabelle was small, her name is as in we used to call her here small pin charger.
Okay. Small pin charger. Okay. Ndị abụ no each other in a bounce tem when I pure tem in a bounce fa.
You can she's very very carryable. She's too light to carry, you know. You will keep your gonna kitchen when I see you. Bedroom when I see you.
I like that kind of person. Very flexible. You can keep her leg,
very,
one of her
legs
for charger. And keep the other one at
oh boy.
Small pin charger. I like it. What is involved? What is involved?
I know we like this one. Okay, the girl, we're all just 30K.
30,000.
Yes.
30,000. I don't really need small pin charger. I don't use any small pin phone. What I use is phone that is Android I use. So what I like is USB. So small pin charger, it will not work. I'm not really a fan of small pin charger like that.
Okay.
No, it will not work.
The last person I have here, listen. The last person who ever kitab and can I like sucking. She used to suck dick very, very well.
Okay.
No, me agin mbadi kweta na na-eme.
Abi?
I swear to you.
Really? No,
suck very, very well.
She know how to do special number. Testimony with my telephone well.
That's why I gave you to get pen.
Bring that one. How much? Bring that one.
Just 5,000. If I'm not the room, me again, you all go one straight. 5,000.
You know, anytime somebody is licking my odogo, used to on a map mobi, and him nine way BP bang. So I don't want anybody that will give me hypertension. I don't really need anybody to suck my odogo. My odogo is not to mana. So just find somebody, even if the person don't have any, even if the person used to do, even if the person don't have anything, just anybody I can just put something.
What if I collect 4,000?
No. Just find anything I can just put and come out. I don't need all this
like
politics.
How much? Please. Like how much, babe, do you want?
More, but you know, even if it's 1-2, somebody I can give 1-2, and she will appreciate it. 1-2.
Boo boo. So we can you 1-2. Kiji makiawe lapumu iyen kwese calculate here for long. Can what money? See, let me warn you. Can you go for advice? I'm
hearing you.
In a phone jinaka. Here then Abu Joy. This is Joy soap. Obro sa okay jiasa. In an ifan now going. Ana abu yabo. Eji aboncha. Tabi na chonwa 1-2. Last time mon again you say. Iji mbadi gaga nwa chief to my womb. Hapu aka ni jeba aka ebe. Aka no treatment here. In a chonwa takli eju 1-2 we maybe kwe abanwu ya. People just show this Joy soap. John Aramadi can say use it.
So I should use the 1-2 and go and buy one packet of Joy soap.
Packet of Joy soap, yes. It don't be about the truth. Give me an hour all over.
Also, we no.
What are you taking me for?
Can you 1-5? Can you 1-5? 1-5.
Boo boo. Because I'm kiwi. I tell me block, okay? Because
you yourself. You that is an old cargo. Can you come? Let me give you 250 or even 300 naira. I know you're already out of the market. Just let me help you.
You go to buy me in Nambia. No, I'm the most important thing.
I know say you love me and I love you too. I'm gonna just help me. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yamba Comedian. Click on subscribe, it's free. Because click on that bell too. And so that you get notification whenever I post. I love you too. Because go. You are begging you, please go.